In this problem, we're asked to use the graph of f of x, which we're given, to estimate the value of f prime of 0, which means we want the slope of the function at 0. So first off, we're looking for the slope at this point right here. And sometimes it can be hard to tell when we have a curve. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in a tangent line at 0 to help us. So I'm going to use my tangent line at 0. Notice how the slope of the line I just put in, the blue line, is the same as the function at 0. So only at that point. Now, what I need to do is calculate the slope of that line. So I can look at two different points. So maybe the origin and this point. And notice that I've got a rise of 2 and a run of 1. And so the slope of my tangent line is going to be 2 over 1, or 2, which is what I would enter for an answer.